Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kids Planet with Urwa, where we think together, explore the universe, and most of all, enjoy learning. I'm Science World के Tale of the Universe पे थे, and today we will be starting Unit 4, Evolution of the Universe. In this unit or section, we will delve into the remarkable journey of the universe, starting from infinitely small volume to vast expanse of galaxies spread across billions of light years. Let's move on. The first topic of this is biography of our universe. Today, when we gaze at our sky, हम देखते हैं we find a huge number of stars जो कि separate हुए in multiple galaxies. It's taken the universe billions of years to get this incredible state, almost like it's grown up through different phases, like we do. Just several people who enjoy getting the biography of our heroes. This chapter is a gem for those who want to read the biography of the universe. For a little while, let's step away from science and learn about the amazing story of our universe, जो कि start होती है right from our early days to where it is right now. I hope हम दुनिया के बारे में काफी we know enough to be written in this biography. Besides that, what we do not know yet. Previous chapter Origin of the Universe में हमने learn किया about the birth of our world. So here we will learn about the life or evolution of the universe. ये जो picture below है, it explains all the evolutionary stages of the universe. First is inflation, then there's formation of first particles, then first nuclei. Moreover, there's first light. After that, there's first stars, and finally galaxies or dark matter form हुए, and after that there is expansion acceleration by dark energy, and finally we see the universe as what it is today now. Next, this is कि जब यूनिवर्स स्टार्ट होना, दिस ये जो इमेज है शो करी है कि जब यूनिवर्स स्टार्ट करती है टू एक्सपैंड, जो टेम्परेचर है वो स्टार्ट करता है डिक्रीजिंग एक्सपोनेंशियली एज शोन इन द फिगर अबव. You see, शुरू में कलर बहुत लाइट है. The brightness of the color represents the temperature of the universe in this picture कि जितना ही bright होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा temperature होगा. So you see कि आहिस्ता आहिस्ता color कम होता जा रहा है. इसका मतलब है कि आहिस्ता आहिस्ता like temperature of the universe, it is starting to cool down. It was very hot in the beginning, but now it's cooling down. Now let's move on. Now we'll be learning about the first phase, which is infancy of the universe, inflation. ये ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है कि जो बेबीज हैं दे ग्रो एट फास्टर रेट कंपेयर टू एडल्ट्स. सिमिलरली जो यूनिवर्स है इसने एक्सपीरियंस की एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी फेज ऑफ रैपिड एक्सपेंशन ड्यूरिंग इट्स अर्ली स्टेज, जिसको साइंटिस्ट ने टर्म किया है एज इन्फ्लेशन. ये जो फेज है इट इज बिलीव टू हैव लास्टेड फ्रॉम 10 के एक्सपोनेंट -36 सेकेंड टू 10 के एक्सपोनेंट -32 सेकेंड आफ्टर द बिग बैंग, जिसने मार्क किया द बर्थ ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. इस इनक्रेडिबली ब्रीफ पीरियड के दौरान जो वॉल्यूम था ऑफ द यूनिवर्स वो इंक्रीज हुआ बाय अ फैक्टर ऑफ एटलीस्ट 10 के एक्सपोनेंट 78. टू पुट दिस एक्सपेंशन इन पर्सपेक्टिव, ये जो है एसोसिएट कर रही है टू एन इंक्रीज ऑफ द यूनिवर्स बाय फैक्टर ऑफ एटलीस्ट 10 के एक्सपोनेंट 26 इन ईच ऑफ द 3 डायमेंशंस. इन्फ्लेशनरी पीरियड के बाद यूनिवर्स कंटिन्यू टू एक्सपैंड बट एट अ स्लोअर रेट. नाउ लेट्स गो. इसके बाद जो एरा है इट इज न्यूक्लियर सिंथेसिस, द एरा ऑफ न्यूक्लियर सिंथेसिस, जो कि चाइल्डहुड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स कंसिडर किया जा सकता है. जब कॉस्मिक इन्फ्लेशन सीज हो गई, जो एनर्जी उसको फ्यूल करी थी वो ट्रांजिशन हो गई टू मैटर एंड लाइट. मेयरली जब 1 सेकेंड गुजरा आफ्टर द बिग बैंग, जो यूनिवर्स थी इट एग्जिस्टेड एज एन एक्सट्रीमली हॉट एनवायरनमेंट measuring around 18 billion degrees Fahrenheit or 10 billion degrees Celsius, जिसने फॉर्म किया एक प्राइमोर्डियल सूप ऑफ लाइट एंड पार्टिकल्स. is in the subsequent phase known as nucleosynthesis जो कि occur किया within minutes जो collisions थे between protons and neutrons it led to the production of the first elements or earliest elements जिनमें primarily hydrogen और helium present थे along with the traces of lithium and beryllium. Approximately 5 minutes later, a significant portion of the universe's helium it had been generated, and the cosmos had expanded and cooled sufficiently, halting further elemental formation. However, इस juncture के दौरान जो universe थी, it remained excessively hot for the atomic nuclei to capture the electrons. So इसलिए जो electrons थे, they were totally free and there were no atoms at that moment. And that's why जो universe थी, it was opaque क्योंकि जो because of the abundance of free electrons जिन्होंने create की एक dense fog like environment जो कि scatter कर रहा था light को. This is a picture that represents the nucleosynthesis phenomenon. Let's move on. Now we will learn about the formation of first atom and detectable light. So approximately जब 380,000 years हो गए after the Big Bang, जो universe थी it has sufficiently cooled down to the point जहाँ पे atomic nuclei capture कर सकते थे electrons को. This marked a significant era known as the epoch of recombination in astronomy. ये जो transition है, it had two significant impacts on the cosmos. Firstly, with the majority of electrons जो कि bound थे to their atoms, जो cosmic fog थी वो dissipate हो गई. वो डिसपेट हो गई rendering the universe to transparent. ये भी हुआ कि जो कि क्योंकि the atomic nuclei had captured electrons, so there was the availability of free electrons decrease हो गई, leading to a reduction in the complete scattering of the light. Is because of these things, जो for the first time light जो थी it could traverse through vast distances without being impeded. Secondly, जो formation थी of these initial atoms उसने emit की in its own light. ये जो residual glow है it is still detectable today. और इसको refer किया जाता है to as the cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation is very bright to radio receiver. It stands as the oldest observable light present in the universe. So this is all we're going to be learning for today. Before I end the video, I will explain this image. ये जो है scientist ने use किया the 9 years of WMAP data to create this detailed all sky image of the cosmic microwave background. ये जो image है ये reveal कर रही है the 13.8 billion year old temperature fluctuations that are shown as different colors. Seeds that they were the seeds that grew into the galaxies we see today. So I hope you had fun, and that's gonna be all for today. Thank you.